Hello everyone, ako po si Jomar Hilario. Kamusta na po kayo? Kamusta na po kayo everyone? This is Jomar Hilario and this has been a very, very interesting day. And because I really had a hard time thinking what was the last, more important things that happened in the world for the last 10 years. Does anybody know the answer to that question? A very important thing that happened to the world in the last 10 years. Frankly, I don't know the answer. So, because sa sarili ko, if I was ever on that stage at Miss Universe, I probably wouldn't know what to say anyway, because it's such a tough, it's such a tough question, at least from my point of view. Now, I also tried to do the Google, ginugol ko yan, yung what is the most important thing, the last 10 years that happened. And apparently, alangan naman it's a specific event. You can say people are more aware of the environment, but not in the last 10 years. Simula na yung environmental cause, matagal na eh. What happened in the last 10 years? I have no idea, really. Was it like the Taiwan, the Japanese earthquake pa? The thing that's happening in the Middle East, it didn't happen to us. Was it like yung pagkamatay ni Osama bin Laden? It didn't happen to us. Asia doesn't care about it. Africa doesn't care about it. So, pero feeling ko, the judges really wanted a political answer. Like katulad nga yung pagkapatay kay Osama bin Laden kuno. So that was a political answer. That's probably what we want. Anyway, my name is Jomar Hilario and you are not in the wrong place. You are in a webinar. However, I can't seem to get Nems to turn on her microphone, so I don't know. Makakausap natin si Nems. Right? Sabi ni Zach, it's climate change. Pero hindi yan kasi specific event, Zach eh. I mean, pag sinagot mo yan sa Miss Universe, you'll cheer, but you can't make an example. So parang kulang. I mean, hinihingi kasi yung judge ng events. Hindi, people are more aware. So parang Miss Universe din yung sagot mo. Okay, people are now attending Miss Universe. Ang naisip ko kung sagot dyan, Facebook Live. This is the first time ever that Miss Universe is aired on Facebook Live. 7 million viewers sabay-sabay all over the world live. So that's a big deal. And of course, ang sagot sa bahay namin is actually the launch of the iPhone. Seriously, because kung hindi dahil sa iPhone, walang iPad. Kung hindi dahil yon, lahat tayo all over the world, naka-Nokia pa rin tayo siguro lahat, naka-keypad pa rin tayo na phone. Because of the iPhone, everybody now uses the touchscreen, and the kids are now growing up to have touchscreens. So it has ushered in the revolution of easier computing, which I think is such a nerdy answer. Bagsak pa rin yan sa judges. Okay? Yeah. So, kamusta naman? Kamusta, Nems? May mic ka na ba? Dalawa na account mo, pareho-pareho mo ng mic. Because whatever gadget you're using, Nems, it doesn't have a microphone. Okay. So you need to, turn on your mic if you don't know how. I don't know how. Okay. So welcome everyone. This is Jomar Hilario, and yeah, this is the right place. We're gonna discuss. We're gonna interview Nems and how she became a virtual professional or virtual assistant. And just before I begin the interview process, actually it's a presentation. Let me just give you a short background of who you're talking to. But before that, can you let me know, before we talk about pursuing your passion while helping your family by Nems Leonardo, can you hear me? Can you say, yes, I can hear you? Can you type that in because I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. Wala kasi, okay. Okay. So thank you very much for being here. If you're a first timer, can you just type the words, yes, I'm a first timer, and you'll probably just be totally shocked today because, I don't know, I'm gonna tell you stuff. No, I'm not sure you guys are acquainted with. Anyway, let me just, okay. Basta. So, some news. Anybody wants some news? Yeah, first timer. Wow, Ray. Hi, Maria Bella. Wow, hi, Bella. Bella ba? Bella and Ray. Yeah. Bakit parang magulo si Jomar? Yep, that's the point. That's the news. So I don't know if you will notice this, but for the next few days, you're probably not going to get any broadcast emails from me. You're probably not going to get email messages from Jomar. Instead, you'll probably be getting Facebook stuff. And that's one of my first news. But before I explain to you why, let me just tell you a little bit about myself. So ako po si Jomar, and I've been doing this for like a lot of years na. Sobrang daming years na. And this, by this, I mean webinars. Monday webinars, helping people in the realm of working from home. So just a few pictures para makita nyo lang sino ako. Lalo na for the first timers. Okay? Okay, so here is me. This is what I do. I normally take lots of time out with family because that's the point. You have to walk what you talk. Don't advertise it much, but when it's finished, I tell you all about it. So getting out of the house with the family is an often thing. It's something that I dream for everyone. Are you interested in that? You know, always going out with the family, not just on holidays, not just on long weekends. If you're that kind of person, just say, yes, that's me. That's a dream that we are practicing right now. And before you say, ano ka na, Jomar, you have already succeeded. Actually, I've been doing this since I was single. So I'm not working from the internet. I'm already always going out on vacations. Always to the anger of my bosses. Lagi silang naiinis at lagi ako nawawala. And it was a good choice, you know. They were angry, but you know what? They don't care about it today. You know why? They don't work there anymore. Number two, they don't talk to me anymore. All my bosses who were angry that I was always absent, you know, and my quote-unquote suffering, kuno. Kaya kuno kasi sa totoo lang, the work they give me was for 2 people eh. So kahit anong gawin ko, walang mangyayari. Alam mo yan? So I'm so happy that since a long time ago, I've been taking vacations. Let me tell you, 1997, I've been taking vacations, out-of-country vacations, very often, sometimes 6 times a year. Walang okasyon because earlier I realized that life is not work. Can you just type that in? Yes, life is not work. We were just trapped in the work cycle because we were educated to work, right? But now, if you consider yourself intelligent, a lot of people have actually escaped. Can you just type that in? Yes, I want to escape. A lot of people have escaped that trap of life is meant for you to work. Let your they're in the trap. Yes or no? What do you think? Your bosses are in the trap of life is work. Because if they don't work, like, you know, the kind of that work they want you to do is ano naman eh, OA sobra eh. Tama ba? Minsan ganun eh. Of course, there are people na, the bosses that you love your bosses, pero there are times na nagbabakasyon ka, tatawagan ka, OA. Tama ba? Tell me the truth. If you're on vacation, should your boss stop calling you up? What do you think? What do you think? Should your boss stop calling you? Type it in. Yes, my boss should not call me when I'm on vacation. That's my belief, no? Bakasyon eh. Minsan paid vacation eh. Tapos tawagan ka. Kasi in their mind, work is more important than your vacation. And hindi naman sila pwedeng sisihin kasi nga they're still in the trap. Diba? They're still in that trap. So, you know, the world will dissolve if you do not answer the phone, which is actually not true. You know, both of you now, think about the first job you ever had, the first boss you ever had. Both of you, pareho na kayong wala dyan sa trabaho na yan. And right now, whoever's in your position before, they don't care about you. Totally zero. They don't think about you, they don't talk about you, nothing. It's as if you never existed. Tama ba ako o mali? Pakisabi nga, tama o mali? That's specifically true to me because hello, hello, hello. Nobody in my old jobs, plural, has gotten back to me, no, telling me about what I did before. Yung, alam mo, hindi ka pumasok noon, kawawa naman kami, blah, blah, blah. Wala, hindi importante sa kanila yun. They've totally forgotten about it. And so congratulations everyone, you're here because you are awake. I'm so glad I'm awake. Type niyan, I'm so glad I'm awake. So let's move on to my slides. So these are some of the people I've helped. These are the gang, the Jomar Hilario Virtual Careers Gang in Dubai. This is what I do. I buy things and experiences. I buy experiences and not things, not so much. You know what? We do the opposite. We do the opposite of buying things. You know what we do? Can you ask me, what do you do? What is the opposite of buying things? It's not buying experiences. It's a complete opposite of buying things. Would you like to know? Well, if you don't ask me, then I won't answer. So we buy experiences. Sometimes experiences are free, so we don't buy them, but that's what we do. Okay. And the next one is these are the Team South Philippines. Jomar Hilario Virtual Careers Team South. These are self-organized groups, and I didn't tell them to meet up. They just met up. Okay. I know a lot of people in this picture. Okay. So sabi nitong quote na to na mali ang spelling. Tomorrow is too late. Yesterday is over. And now is exactly the right moment. So start. You have to start. Whatever it is that you realize today. Isa pang quote na wala naman ko naman sinulat is your realizations are free. It's so easy to get an aha. It's so easy to say, oo nga no, but your realizations are useless if there's no action. So can you promise yourself, starting today, sabihin nyo, I will take action. Kung ano man yung dapat nyo i-take action, you will take action. Yes or no? Yes or no? Let me know if that's, yeah, thank you very much for doing that. Very good. Naghanap pa tayo sa okay, never mind. Tapos na yan. Hindi totoo yan. Okay, o yun, tingnan nyo. So let me just go check out our guest today. So dali lang ha. Okay, pasensya na po. Nems is having problems. She'll just chime in whenever she's ready, okay? Okay lang. So we can't talk to Nems yet. So let's make the most of the time we have for today. Okay ba? Wait, I'm just gonna give out a mind map. So since our guest is not yet in, is not available, and we're just waiting for her to set things up para marinig natin siya. Yung mga perfectionists in the audience, sabi nga sa kanila, oo, nag-rehearse kami. Oo naman, nag-rehearse yan. Nalang hindi ko lang ba't hindi nag-work ngayon. But I'll tell you something about last night. Last night we had a webinar about our planning for the year. Are you interested in knowing what happened in that webinar? Can I interest you? Can I tell you the inside scoop of that webinar? Sino dito ang interested in planning what happened to us in that planning event? You guys should go to sleep now. Hindi kayo, yung mga anak ko. Everybody say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Say your name and say hello.
Hello, my name is Sean. Hello, my name is Lucia. Hello, my name is Earl Eden Coco French.
Okay. So nandito po silang lahat. Ang hello. Hindi obvious, no? Na pinapaligiran po ako ng tatlong bata dito.
Now, and this is my of my God is you bang.
Umalis si Sean. Anyway, last night, I guided people, so about 30 people in redoing a plan for their year, actually for their life. Pero siyempre, magsisimula ka muna for the next few days and then for the year. Would you like to get a short background of what happened? I need to say yes. Yeah. Anybody say once interested? Meron ba? Otherwise, we can just talk about virtual careers all day long. So if you want me to talk about virtual careers, please do give me a question. Ay, so before I mention about the planning event, may nagtanong early, nagbigay siya ng tanong tungkol sa virtual careers. So I'll just answer that. Can I? Wala kang choice. I-answer siya. Sabi niya ganun. I think his name is Alan. He said, Jomar, ginagawa ko na yung tutorials. Ano bang unahin ko? Yung alam ko na o maghahanap ako ng hindi ko pa alam, tapos gagawa ko ng tutorial. Nga lang, wala naman siya binigyan ng example, so wala akong mabigay na sagot. But later he gave an example. Ang sabi niya, gumagawa ako ng tutorial for Carbon Made. Oh, that's an app. And another tutorial for Rescue Time. So dalawang apps yun. Tapos ang ending niya, sabi niya, talagang hindi ko na teritoryo ito. So sinabi ko sa kanya is, tuloy mo lang kasi ginagawa mo naman. Now, Rescue Time is an app to help you do time management. And Carbon Made is nothing but a portfolio app, meaning it's a website where you can put in your images, put in your resume, put in your videos that you've created. So yun lang naman yung dalawang apps na yun. Now, if there's anybody here asking that question, ano bang unahin ko? Yung alam ko, hindi ko alam. Siyempre, ang sagot ko dyan, yung alam mo. Okay? If there are apps out there, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, ganyan, then you know specifically how to use. Hindi mababaw. Like for example, in Excel, marunong ka ng 10 formula na hindi addition. Pakita mo na marunong ka ng 10 formula na hindi addition. Okay? Kasi kung addition lang alam mo, nakakahiya ang ginawa mo pa ng tutorial. Di ba? Diba? Marunong ka mag-conditionals, mag-if, mag-macro sa Microsoft Excel. Yan. Yung PowerPoint, hindi mo pwedeng gawa ng tutorial kasi PowerPoint mo. So, okay? Sa Microsoft Word, it means you're a writer. So you show off your writings. Ganun lang. Alam mo na. Pero tatlo lang yun. You need to add more to that. That's why you go to the territories of the apps I mentioned in the book, Virtual Careers. Ayan. So, that was the question earlier. Hopefully, nandito si Alan. Nasagot ko yung tanong. Now, regarding the planning events, I actually told people that, hi Alan, very good. Sana nakatulong yung sagot ko. So, I told people about 12 areas of life they need to plan. Ayan. Nems, kung may audio ka na, just interrupt us. Okay, just say something. Can you say hello? Nem? We can hear you. Wala. Okay. So here is the list of the 12 areas in life you need to create a plan for. Ayan. Okay. So ayan. Can I define this for you? Okay lang ba? What are the differences of these 12 areas in life? Why am I talking about planning? Kasi January. Okay, we're all coming into the year again. Can I ask everyone here, please answer? I need 40 answers. Do you have a written plan for the year? Hey kids. Do you have a written plan for the year? Nakakahiya kung wala, no? So would you like to fix that? Would you like to fix that? Now, if you wrote financial freedom, hindi po written plan yan. Okay? Yung financial freedom. Nakakahiya yun. Hindi yun plano. Ang plan po merong step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Yun po yung picture ng plan. Yes, Nems, pwedeng PDF. Pero ang importante yung audio mo. Wala akong marinig na matino eh. So to give you some short guidance on how to make your plan, can I explain to you the 12 life areas that you need to make a plan for? And in the end, and after I explain that, I'd like to invite you to plan with me this coming February 18. Okay? Okay? Can you full sentence nga? Who's interested in knowing these 12 life areas? Pwede ko rin naman hindi pag-usapan yan. We can just talk about, passive income. Kung gusto nila. I don't know what to talk about because our guest is, whatever. Hindi pa ready yung kanyang audio. Pero alam niyo ba, nung na-discuss ko to sa kanila kahapon, malungkot kasi, yung most of the people, wala silang time to plan. So nakakalungkot kasi buhay mo, wala kang oras mag-plan. Or ayaw mo mag-plan. Or feeling mo, you're too important. So dapat wala kang plan. Ang labo, no? Kasi dahil mong dapat gawin sa buhay. So, paplano, para ka na lang leaf in the wind. Alam mo yun? Leaf in the wind. Anyway, let's move on. So the 12 items here are health, fitness. So that means, you know what it means, no? Ang fitness, yung tsura ng katawan mo. Yung health, yung internal mo, which includes what? Your brain, whatever you think about. So hindi lang yan basta health lang, pati yung outside mo, yun yung fitness mo, okay? Plus fitness with regards to being able to do what you want to do, hindi what you're supposed to do. Bawa, pinlano mo na mag-bungee jumping, tapos hindi ka naman gusto mo sa mga dream board mo, bungee jumping, tapos pinapabayaan mo yung katawan mo. Okay? So, that's health and fitness. Intellectual is a big, neglected part of planning. Question, do you plan to feed your mind? Feed nyo ba yung mind niyo? The right thoughts. Do you plan to do that? I mean, when I say do you write stuff down para ma-educate mo yung mind mo, para ma-feel mo yung mind mo? This is not just information. This is also inspiration. And if you attend the feast, obviously you're getting that by default. But on top of the feast, you should be feeding yourself outside of the feast. Kasi every Sunday naman. Okay? Yung character and habits, that's the stuff you're supposed to do, but you don't do. And the stuff you're supposed to do, but you do. Yun yung habits and character. Okay? Yung spiritual, that is, lalo na sa mga taong walang Diyos, you actually have no choice. You need to pick. You need to pick a spiritual path. Okay? May path kasi tayong pinipili, whether we have a God or we don't have. So we need to have plans for that path that you just took. Okay? Ang love relationship includes spouses and relatives. Okay? Parenting is optional if you have no kids, obvious ba? Okay? And social life is a neglected, unplanned part of your life. That's when you reach out to your friends on a regular basis. Plus, not just friends, also mentors. Ang financial life, that's your plans with your money. As differentiated from career, which is everything about your work. Okay? Ibang-iba yung work, iba yung money. Now, yung quality of life, these are the things and experiences. This is the normal stuff we plan for. We want to upgrade our TV, pinaplano natin yan by saving up. That's usually where people are good at. We want to go to Manawag this summer, ayan, experiences yan. Yan ang quality of life. Yung pinakahuli, yung life vision, yun yung who do you want to be. Gusto mo ba talaga pala maging dancer, maging chef, gusto mo maging kilala sa larangan ng pag-solve ng Sudoku, yan. Who do you want to be? Are you doing anything para ma-reach mo yung goal na yan? So there you have it, the 12 things that you need to plan for. So, Nims, are you ready?
Sige po. Can you hear me po?
Okay, you need to open up your PowerPoint at tanggalin ko yung share ko.
Sige po.
So while you're doing that, let me just invite people over to the planning event. So thank you for listening to me while we were preparing for NIMS. If you need help, ay, teka, ingay talaga. Okay. If you need help at all in planning, let me invite you to attend the February 18 out-of-town planning event. And that's actually bundle 1. Okay, so if you go to Christmas bundles, you'll find that's bundle 1. And I put in a lot of detail regarding that kasi nga Nems, ka muna magsalita, ha? Sia, tubig mo. So I hope that's the right website. So bundle 1 will help you because I will be guiding you on what to plan and how to plan and what questions to answer. And that's going to be a live we meet up in Market at AM in Manila. I'll bring you to the venue, out of town, out of Manila, and out of Metro Manila, totally out. And it's going to be a wonderful place for you to plan. And then I'm going to bring you back to Market. Pero alis tayo ng venue ng 6 p.m. So it's around 9.5 hours of actual planning time, not including the commute. So, nagsasalita na ba ang... Sweetheart, nagsasalita ka na ba? Nakamute ka pa. Okay. So here you have it. Thank you for patiently waiting. Marlene Leonardo, pursuing your passion while helping your family. Marlene.
Yes, sir.
Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Yes.
Ay, sige po. Sorry for the wait. Kinakabahan. Okay. Hello everyone. Good evening.
Sweetheart, magsalita ka na. Wag mo na sila maghintay ng sumagot. Just go lang. Go lang. Tuloy lang. Ikwento mo lang. Okay?
I am Nems Leonardo. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Palomok, Titay, Zamboanga, Sibugay. My birthplace, home place, and my family's place. I am a certified public accountant but by profession, but I am very passionate about agriculture. Ayan, that is my first love. Yung farm and nature. Yan, about me, I am an introvert and a very silent person. I rarely talk and I am afraid to speak, especially to a large crowd like this one, so webinar. Even in Facebook, I rarely post or make comment. Kaya when Sir Jomar invited me to become a guest here in this webinar, talagang nabigla ako. But always beside me is my younger sister. She's the only person whom I am not afraid to talk about everything. I was about to say no when she said, pinasok kami na yan. Kaya dapat papayag na lang daw ako. Siya ang aking taga-push every time I am in doubt. Yan. Nakilala ko po si Sir Jomar to Brother Bo Sanchez. I was employed before, but I was hopping from one company to another. My last employment full-time was with Erie in 2012. Yeah. While working away from... Ano po?
Sa Los Baños ka pala.
Yes po. That was my dream company. Kaya lang, while working away from my family, kasi di ba nasa Zamboanga, Sibugay sila, I'm always worried for my parents. Lagi kasi silang nag-aaway that time. Perfect na sana for my profession and passion yung Erie. Kaya lang, di ko talaga maalis sa isip ang situation ng parents ko. Lalo na, minsan lang that will enable me to come home every day. but I failed sa lahat. Sobrang na-discourage na din ako mag-apply sa government.
Peter, go back. Kunyari,
Ito.
kasi hindi namin narinig yung last 2 minutes mo eh. So go back dun sa kasama yung sa Erie. Yan. Nag-aaway.
Ito?
Parents mo ulit yung sinabi mo.
Yes po. While working away from my family po, I'm always worried for my parents. Lagi kasi silang nag-aaway. Perfect na sana yung Erie for my profession and passion, kaya lang, hindi ko talaga maalis sa isip yung mga parents ko. As I said kanina po, sobrang nakakapagod and mahal umuwi, mahal ang airfare, and then I have vertigo, nahihilo po ako when I travel, and I suffered headache. Malayo ang Los Baños sa airport, and malayo din ang bahay namin sa airport. 4 to 5 hours public bus travel. Yun. Plus, yung may mga naalala po ako kay Brother Bo, sabi niya, if you are not playing daw po, then you might not be in the right game. Yun ang reason out ko po dun sa supervisor ko yung nung nag-resign po ako. Plus, may naalala din akong life learning from a speaker. Ang sinabi po doon, kung dumating daw po ang panahon na meron na sa akin ang lahat, ano ang gagawin ko? Yan na daw dapat ang gawin ko ngayon. Kaya, without doubt, and for the third time, nag-resign ulit ako from employment. Every time I resign, I went home to province to find work that will enable me to come home every day. But I failed sa lahat ng applications. Sobrang na-discourage na din ako mag-apply sa government. Kasi pag sa province po, government lang po talaga yung opportunity for CPAs. Kasi sa government, ang daming kailangan mo pa-impress bago ka matanggap. Until I got married in April 2013 and give birth to my only daughter in January 2014. I tried working in government when my daughter is age 5 months old. But after a week of duty, nagkasakit siya for the first time since birth. Pagkasabi ni Doc na we might confine her if hindi po maba ang lagnat. Without any thinking, I decided not to pursue that employment anymore. I want to personally take care of my baby. Mabilis naman siyang naka-recover dahil pure breastfeed siya. And I'm proud I breastfeed her for 2 years and 2 months. She turned 3 years old last January 21, and thank God, never na-confine until now. This is the benefit of giving my full time to her. Na-actionan agad ang mga needs before it gets worsened. Especially, sobrang hirap pakainin yung daughter ko. We need many drama and games like making a slide just to feed her. Feeding her is very time-consuming and requires lots of patience. Can you hear me po? Hello?
Pareho sila ni Earl, picky eater.
Yes.
Narinig ka ni Earl. Dito siya ngayon.
Ayan. As of now po, I am still a full-time mother, a wife, full-time po sa pagtulong sa business ng family ko. I am already working at home na, pero yung hindi lang siya online for our business. So, yan. Kung makikita niyo po, my room is my workplace and playground for my daughter and her cousins. This is our business. We help produce food. Meron kaming farm, meron din kaming mga mechanical farm equipments. And then aside from our own harvest, bumibili din kami ng mga palay from other farmers. Tapos, meron kaming mechanical dryer. Ang wala lang po kami is rice mill. Tapos, ni-deliver po namin sa tindahan namin at sa ibang mga retailers. Yan po ang aming business. Ang pinaka-product po namin ay bigas. Yan. Sila po ang aking parents. I am able to do lahat yung lahat ng gusto kong gawin kasi kami lahat, my siblings, including our spouses, can easily adjust our work schedule. Lahat kasi kami nagtatrabaho lang sa business. Ayan, my father is a marine engineering by profession. but pinili niya ang farming para hindi mapalayo sa family. He is very successful naman. His farming income allows him to save not only for us, but up to his grandchildren. He is our general manager and takes care of our rice crops like a baby. He visits the farm every day. Yan, nalulungkot yan pag hindi nakapunta sa farm. And most important, many people come to him for many different needs. Tuition, pagkain, pambayad sa kuryente, kung may mamatay, kung may mga anak, for business, lahat. Parang politiko na hindi naman yan politiko. And my mother, she is a high school graduate but very talented in business. She loves to party and laging nandyan para sa mga apo. She controls buying and selling prices. She always finds ways on how we can lessen our expenses and increase our income. Yan po kaming apat na magkakapatid. Kami po ay mga business partners. My brother, she is in charge in hauling, drying, milling, and maintenance of our delivery trucks. My younger sister, yung naka-shades po, she is an industrial engineer by profession. She is in charge sa store to make sure our customers are satisfied with our rice. She also monitors market prices. Yan. My youngest sister ay naka-stripes na black and white. She acts as our family doctor, especially for our parents. She is tasked to assist me and to talk over my responsibilities when needed. Ako naman in charge sa financial accounting, legal, treasury, and other very important business functions. Can you hear me po? Or nag-uusap ako? Hello?
Okay, tuloy lang.
Para kasi nagsasalita akong mag-isa. Anyway, yan. With our in-laws. Our
May TV
in-laws
na
are...
bukas, kaya ganun. Pasarado mo yung TV. Bukas yung TV ko, kaya ganun.
Sige. Wait na po. Yan. Ayan ang aking mga in-laws. Sila din tumutulong sa business ng family ko. Mine and my younger sister's husband is in charge for our mechanical farm equipments. My sister-in-law is in charge in record keeping, paying of wages to our laborers, and many other different business functions. My younger sister's spouse, itong lalaki na nasa katabi ng bata na naka-yellow, yung anak nila, she's a government employee, pero in charge din siya in keeping safe of our store. Yan, my ultimate goal for purchasing 3 bundles is to have unlimited time to pursue my farming passion without compromise in any aspect of our family business and especially my profession. Yan. Maganda naman yung sa business namin, kaya lang I also want to use or to fully utilize my profession. Another reason po kung bakit ko po gustong mag-work from home is yan, yung bata po na nasa likod is my daughter. Bigla po siyang tumalon. Paano na lang po kung wala ko? Hindi ko na po gustong maulit yung nangyari po sa brother ko. We lost him at 4 years old. Nahulog po kasi sa balon. And that time, wala po ako sa bahay. Kahit na 7 years old lang ako noon, hanggang ngayon, guilty pa rin ako sa nangyari. Noon pa man kasi talaga mahilig na ako pumunta sa farm or sa mga malalayong bundok para magtanim ng kung ano-ano. Kaya, so, paano ko po gagawin ano po ang gagawin ko para ma-achieve ko po yung gusto ko, yung mga ultimate goal ko. Yan, sabi ko na nga po kanina, binili ko po yung 3 bundles. Actually, nung una po, isa lang po yung binili ko, yung you can work at home. Kaya, dati, Dati ko pa talaga gusto mag-work from home. Nung nasa Erie po ako, binili ko po yung downloadable na seminar. Kaso hindi ko natuloy kasi lagi kaming OT and then walang internet sa bahay. Pero nung naging work po ako ng CCTV para po dito sa bahay namin, biglang nag-offer ng internet connection si supplier. Kaya tinanggap ko agad ang offer. Pero kung may paraan, since nasa home naman ako and then para fully utilize din yung internet connection at saka yung nasa bahay, minsan kasi wala akong work. So para fully utilize yung lahat, mas maganda na mag-work from home na din po ako. Pero kung merong mga paraan, meron din kasing mga balakid. Yan. Yung river na yan is hinder to all our success. This is, yan yung bridge. Actually, dalawang bridge na yan, dalawang project. Lahat hindi naging successful. Bridge po yan, papunta sa farm namin. Ganito na yan since 2002, 14 years na nang walang action. I remember going to school na basa dahil natulas dito sa Sirang Bridge. And I remember how my sister, yung nasa store ko namin, confidently, without fear, crossed this river using the trunk of a tree. Hindi po dito sa part na yan, dun sa baba. Meron kasing natumbang kahoy doon. And then, kasi natumba siya, yung dulo niya po, napunta po sa kabila. So, doon po kami dumaan. Hindi po natakot yung kapatid ko. Kahit po, kasi malaki talaga ang baha that time, tinawid niya. And sumunod naman ako. We did it para makapasok lang sa school. So, paano na lang kung nalunod kami dun? Walang tao, kami lang dalawa. Pinilit lang namin makatawid para lang makapasok sa school. Also, the lack of this bridge hinders us to achieve our dream of having our own rice mill. It will be very difficult to transfer rice to and from the rice mill. Kasi, yung perfect location lang talaga para sa aming rice mill ay sa farm lang. Kung may bridge lang sana, nasa farm na lahat ng operations at bahay namin. And it will be very convenient for me to go to the farm without any compromise to my any other task that require my presence. Next. Yan. Pag naging successful po ako dito sa mga trainings and sa aming business, ito po ang magiging rewards namin. Magkakaroon po kami ng bridge. Kasi hahanapan po talaga namin yun ng paraan. And then, magkakaroon din kami ng modern rice farming and rice mill. Yan kasi yung long dream namin na magkaroon kami. Kasi, minsan kasi pinahihirapan na kami ng mga rice mill dito sa amin. And then, rewards for my daughter. Kasi siya, gusto niya kasi tumawid dyan sa bridge ng mag-isa, nang hindi ko hawakan. Kaya nung dumating na po kami sa dulo, sabi niya, siya na lang daw magtawid. Ini-insist niya talaga na tatawid siya. Kaya pagdating sa dulo, nahulog po siya. Pag naging successful po ako dito, magkakaroon na kami ng bridge. So wala nang batang mahulog kahit nag-insist sila na sila na lang ang tatawid. And then, the ultimate reward is for myself. Marami na po akong time para sa aking passion, yung farming. Tapos hindi po makompromise yung mga trabaho ko po sa business and ma-fully utilize ko din yung profession ko. Yan, this is my story. Thank you. Pasensya na po, kinabahan ako. Kasi nga, takot ako magsalita. Yan, salamat po.
Thank you very much. Ang ganda ng kwento mo. Grabe. Plus, ang ganda ng pictures. Plus, we need to backtrack. You said a lot of stuff. And ay, wag mo tanggalin yung thank you mo. Keep it there. Keep it there.
Okay.
Keep mo, tapos ko. Ay, wag yung thank you, yung one before. The one
Before po?
mas gusto ko yung may picture ka eh.
Iyan po.
Teka lang, yan. I'll just take a screenshot of this, tapos pwede mo nang tanggalin. Yan, ang galing po. Sino po ang na-inspire sa inyong lahat? Okay? Pakisabi nga, na-inspire ba kayo? So, kakaiba po itong ating webinar tonight because it's not a virtual professional. It's somebody who's starting a virtual professional career. Nakuli niyo ba yon? Marami tayong pwedeng i-unpack sa kwento ni Marlene. Let's start na. Okay? A lot of you are gonna say, yeah, grabe. May kurot sa puso. Very inspiring. Totoo. So, konti na lang, ni Marlene. Ano tatago sa'yo?
Names na lang po.
Ano?
Names na lang po. Kasi yan din yung tawag ng mga classmates ko po.
Okay. Names. Konti na lang pag-sharing ka ni Bo sa office. Kala nasa Zamboanga ka. Okay.
Layo.
Number 1. Hindi. May paraan yan. Nagmamanila ka naman eh. Nag-Los Baños ka nga. Goodness. So, hindi mo alam, taga dyan ako. Los Baños.
Nung umuwi na po ako, doon ko na po nalaman.
Ngayon lang.
Opo.
Okay.
Pagka-resign ko po.
Ay, ganun. So, hindi ka nagpupunta sa library. Nandun yung kapatid ko. Siya yung curator.
Library. Pumupunta po ako doon kasi yung assignment ko po, ano pong pangalan?
Paul. Hulaan mo yung last name niya.
So, ay, hindi ko na maalala. Parang meron akong kilala na ganyan.
Malaking lalaki.
Pero parang
Pinto.
babae po yung kausap ko doon eh. Kasi about liquidation ng credit card.
Hindi.
Yung
hindi
mga
mo
binibili po nila sa Amazon.
Liquidation. Okay. Hindi mo naman kapatid ko. That's too bad. Anyway. So my brother is the curator of the Erie Rice Library. He's also a painter. Anyway, isa pa, meron kasi sabi, mabilis eh. So, you lost your brother, right? Young age?
Yes po. At 4 years
Anong
old.
edad niya?
4 years old po.
4 years old, tumalon sa tubig, walang nakaagap.
Opo, kasi busy po ang nanay ko. Tapos ako nasa malayo, nasa bukid.
Saan yung tubig?
Kasi meron, yung bahay po namin, yung nasa, meron po kaming balon dun sa, medyo sa likod.
Sa balon?
Yes po. Tapos walang harang.
Ay, shucks. Natanong ni Lucia, ano daw balon? Ikaw sumagot, dali.
Well, ano
What
yun?
is a balon? O, kaya mo yan. Ano daw balon?
Well po, yun po yung wishing well, parang,
Parang wishing well.
yun.
Well, it's a hole on the ground. If you're 4-year-old, may tubig ba yung balon nyo?
Yes po, puno.
May
Actually, pang third time niya na yun nahulog.
Ay, third time. Ano ba yan? Dapat nakarangan na.
Kasi hinuhuli niyo po yung mga palaka. Marami kasing palaka sa balon.
4 years old?
Yes po.
Tapos nalunod.
Opo.
Ganun kalalim. Okay, that's
Hindi
really...
po malalim po.
Ano?
How much is that?
Pagpupunta na lang. Tama na. kaya ko minention yan kasi ginawa yan Earl nung 4 years old siya.
Yun na po.
Tumalon siya sa swimming pool sa malalim. Buti, kaharap ko siya at hindi ako nakatingin doon sa 1-year-old na hawak ko. Nakatingin ako sa kanya. So nakita ko siyang nag-sink.
Yun kasi sa amin. Busy kasi yung nanay ko kasi birthday niya yun.
Pero pwede ko siyang ma-miss yung time na yun.
Oo.
May hawak akong 1-year-old. Pero buti na lang napansin ko na wala na siya. Anyway. Thus, we have to go back to your Hindi. Sorry balik mo yung share slides mo.
Sure po ulit
Balik
ako.
yung slide share mo. Tatanggalin ko yung sa akin. have to go back to your story because it's very important that people realize this.
Sige po. You cannot start share. Ano to?
Start siya ka ulit.
Tapos saan po ako babalik?
Akong bahala ka. Akong bahala sandali. Hey everyone, I know you're inspired. It's not enough. You have to ask questions. You have to ask questions. Ako may tanong ako. Bumili ka ng 3 bundles, explain why. Balikan mo yung slide mo, may 3 kang bundles na binili. They have to understand why. Because it's like you're the first time to that. Mayroong mga tao ng bundle. Pero ikaw pala naka-3. Explain.
Kasi gusto ko kasi marami akong malaman. And kasi dati nag-a-apply ako sa Upwork. And then, tuwing nag-a-apply po ako, parang umaatras po ako. Kasi baka hindi ko to alam. Kaya ngayon, I need to equip myself kung ano yung possible na pwedeng ipagawa. And then, mahilig din kasi talaga ako mag-go mga bagay-bagay sa internet. Kaya kinuha ko yan lahat. Gusto ko nga kunin lahat, kaso hindi ko kaya.
Sorry, can you repeat what you said? Sorry.
Gusto ko po sana bilhin lahat, kaso hindi na kaya.
Sobra naman. Ay, nako. Tell them how are you gonna apply your learnings to your family business? Naisip mo na ba?
Yes po, yun kasi 'di ba bumibili po kami ng palay sa ibang farmers. Meron kaming farm pero bumibili din kami sa ibang farmers. Kaso nagtataka po ako bakit yung ibang farmers hindi nila kami alam na bumibili kami ng palay. Kailangan pa nilang dumaan sa mga ahente or yung mga sales fund. So, I want to reach yung lahat. Pwede naman kasi pala sa Facebook. Nalaman ko dun sa VE202. Yung sa area ko lang namin i-broadcast yung advertisement.
Ay, ang galing! Oo nga naman. Did anybody catch that? You have a product.
Marketing.
You can just directly market it in Facebook. Yes or no? In your local area. Everybody's using Facebook.
Yes po. Lahat. Nasa Facebook.
Pwede mo ang gawing, Chabacano ba kayo?
Bisaya po.
Pwede mong gawing, Bisaya, pwede mong gawing Chabacano, yung ad mo.
Yes po.
Do you want to buy rice? In Tagalog, in Bisaya.
Kasi bumibili kami ng palay. Nagbibenta din kami ng palay. Yun.
Ang galing. Tapos bigyan mo lang sa directions saan sila pupunta. Tapos.
Opo. Pwede din naman kami mag-deliver direct.
Pwede rin pala kayo mag-deliver. Tapos na.
Yun, lahat. Nasa Facebook.
Ay, ang galing. Oo nga pati yung kahit sino na nasa Facebook eh.
Yun po.
Alam niyo ba, meron akong breakthrough na napansin. Hindi lang basta kahit sino naka-Facebook. Because of how cheap the computers are, almost a lot of people now have computers. Yung dating wala. Yung dating wala, akala mo, meron na.
Simulan.
Let's go po. Nagko-computer na po sila. So tumataas talaga yung volume ng number of people na pwede mong ma-reach. Galing, ang galing. Galing. Sobra. Okay, let's move forward. And I just want to explain the bundles before
It's 10 o'clock.
Yes, I know. Thank you. Yung computer ko sa salita. Okay. Explain ko lang yung bundles. Bundle 4, it's that's what I teach, super basic stuff. Lalo na sa mga taong medyo may konting takot when applying online and those who want to increase confidence before they even start applying. Can everybody help me out? Type yung words, increase confidence. Now, I normally teach here stuff na tinuturo ko sa Deep Internet Secrets. That's an old seminar I used to do. So, dyan ko nilagay sa Back to Basics. Kasi, once you're finished with the Back to Basics program, ang galing-galing mo. Okay, ang galing-galing mo. You can run circles around people who think they know stuff. Okay, because I teach the really, really foundational stuff when it comes to dealing with a computer and dealing with the internet. It's not even dealing with apps or Upwork. It's dealing with the computer and the internet. Yun yung pinaka-basic stuff. And that's very powerful because you're talking to someone who's read books on computers before siya nakahawak ng computer. Ako yun, okay? I've read books on programming before I even started programming. Okay, I don't even know what it means. I just read books. So that's very powerful. That's bundle 4. Bundle 2 naman, that's VA202, that's Facebook ads. So ngayon, it's non-negotiable. If you wanna have a high-paying job online at hindi ka takot sa numbers, sige, bundle 2, Facebook ads ka agad. Maintindihan mo yung internals ng paggawa ng tamang Facebook ads and to monitor if it works. And bundle 5 is actually my cutting edge stuff, mga stuff na natutunan ko sa mga veteranong freelancers. Paano sila nagko-command ng mga $60 an hour, mga ganyang klase. Tinuro ko sa kanila yan ng IBS. Itong kakatapos lang na IBS. So that's bundle number 5 for those who are saying, ano ba yan, advanced yan. If there's anything new in the internet, I'll probably tell it to you 6 months before. Okay, so that's bundle number 5. And by the time everybody finds out about it, you're considered medyo expert level ka na. At least from your point of view. Okay, so that's bundle number 5. Just want to remind everyone na ito, we are a few days away from the deadline. I think it's Feb 2, so you better get in while you can. Each one of this, it's a ticket to the Date with Freedom on October. So si Nems gets 3 tickets. Tong sa Date with Freedom. Pwede kang magpadala ng 2 tao. Pwede may benta yung ticket mo sa kanila. O, di ba? Kasi libre yung seminar sa October. The Date with Freedom seminar in Manila. Okay? So, thank you very much for that. Can we move forward to your next slide? Kasi I wanna.
Next slide.
Next slide mo lang.
Ito po.
Sige pa kami. The bridge. Show me the bridge. The bridge. Paano magkakaroon ng bridge sa inyo? Ikaw gagawa. Ikaw magpapatayo.
Kasi po, si DOST po, meron po siyang yung setup program, yung pinapahiram po ng pera ng mga SMEs. Tapos, kulang interest po yun to be paid in 3 years.
Sino yun?
Si DOST po yun. Department of Science and
DOST.
Technology.
So you're gonna take that and make the bridge?
Yes po. Kasi kailangan talaga namin ng rice mill. And then yung income kasi ng rice mill, kaya yan magtayo ng bridge dyan.
Ang galing.
Bali, parang pinaplano ko po na parang sasabihin kay DOST na i-grant na lang nila yung kung pwede. Kasi yung income naman ang bayad namin kasi i-loan namin yung pagtayo ng bridge.
Galing.
Bibigyan man sila ng grant. Kasi wala nang action dyan. Sino pa kaya?
Oo nga. Tama. Kayo na nga. Sa totoo lang. Uy, meron daw question sa Q&A. Nasaan ang Q&A? Hindi ko alam saan yun eh. Sino ba alam na siya? Meron daw nagtatanong. Ayan. Malayo ka, considering the challenge of internet, etc. Hindi ka huminto being a VA. How do you address yung kano kabilis ba internet mo? May problema ba sa bilis ng internet? Baka mabilis pa kasi.
Sa akin po?
Oo.
As long as may load po.
Ang speed mo, kamusta? Alam mo yung speed sa, gaano kabilis?
I forgot. Pero mabilis naman po. Basta, may problema lang po yung computer ko nag-hang. Pero yung internet, wala. Meron kasi akong pina-install na yung antenna. I don't know if this is legal. Baka bawal kung may mahuli.
Hindi illegal. Okay lang yan. Antenna para makareceive sa
Kasi hindi po outside service area po ako ni Smart and Globe.
So, hindi ka provider?
Ano po?
Sino provider mo?
Si Globe po.
Ano?
Si Globe.
Si Globe.
Yes.
Okay lang.
Pero,
ang
pero kung wala antena po, hindi po gumagana. Paggabi lang. 1 a.m. hanggang 3 a.m. Tapos masyadong mabagal.
So yun sa'yo, meron ka kasing antenang special.
Yes po.
Okay lang yan. Actually, wala ko sa legality niyan. As long as may signal ka, okay yun.
As long as may load po.
Saka may load ka. Bayad naman eh.
Yes po.
Galing, galing. So, ang sagot ni Nem sa'yo, Alan, it doesn't matter kung malayo ang Zamboanga. Di ba? You can hear her, right? She's clear, right? So, bilis internet niya. Actually, mukhang pareho lang kami ng speed, which is like really funny because I am in Manila, I have 3 Mbps. So, bagal talaga ng speed ko dito. So, bottom line, it's not where you are, it's about gaano kabilis ba net mo. Diba? Baka naman lumipat ka, napaparinig ako, lumipat ka sa isang lugar, walang internet. So, parang sinasabi sa sarili mo, ayoko nang mag-work online. Walang internet, paano mag-work online, right? So, yun lang.
Install ka ng antenna.
Buti nga meron na ngayon, di ba? Very good. Thank you. Galing. So, walang tanong ang mga people? Wala kayong tanong kay Nems? Tulog na kami? Okay lang sa akin. 10:05 pa lang. Ako, natanong ko na lahat ng tanong ko. Does anybody have... Sige, kung walang kayong tanong kay Nems, can you just say thank you from the bottom of your heart? Which means to say, give her a sentence. Give her a sentence. Wag lang thank you. Give her an actual sentence na nagpapasalamat.
Tingnan mo yung e-books. Yung e-books?
Anong tanong ni Leo Bishop?
Ilang buwan matutunan mo yung mga e-books?
Ano kay e-books?
Yung virtual career. Binownload ko siya. Binili ko siya at dinownload. Binasa ko agad lahat. Ngayon ako ka-excited.
Paano mo ba na-enkwentro ito? Doon sa libro muna?
Ano po, itong
virtual career ski.
Kasi kay Mamiki po. Kasi di ba dati, nag-download na po ako bumili na po ako ng downloadable seminar. Tapos si Mamiki po yung sumasagot sa mga tanong ko. Tapos nakita ko po sa Facebook wall niya. And then, lagi naman po kayo nag-i-email. Nasa email niyo po.
Mm-hmm. So, tinatanong ni Rona, nag-work ka na ba as a VA?
As a VA, wala po.
Hindi po, kakasimula lang po.
Work at home, pero para sa business po.
Gagamitin niya yung matututunan niya sa business nila. Tama naman kasi.
Kasi yun din naman ang gagawin ko pag nag-work ako. Tutulungan ko po yung mga businessman sa business nila. Sa amin ko na lang gagawin.
Tama. Ang galing. Marami na silang tanong ng buhay.
Shadow dream.
Wala na pala. Ano ang magandang bundle para sa mga working na VA na? Tanong ni Rona. Bundle 5 po yan. Bundle 5. Balik natin yung slide mo, Rons. Nems. Yung bundle slides mo. Bundle 5 is the Instant Virtual Skills Program, which we just finished one session nung isang araw. There's a recording of that, obviously, and webinar. Kakatapos lang din ng webinar ng IBS ng Wednesday. So if you miss that, that's actually the bonus session. Then you can still get the recording of that. Okay? So, sweetheart, hindi ko kita yung yung bundle 5 mo na slide.
Bundle 5.
Yung bundle slide. So, kung
Ito po.
ikaw ay virtual assistant, ikaw ay gusto mo nang mag-advance pa sa income mo ngayon, dapat talaga panoodin mo yung instant virtual skills na recording na ginawa ko last week, because doon pa lang $60 a minute na. Ano yun tinuturuan ko kayo ng positioning Meaning yung tingin sa'yo ng kliyente masyadong mataas na wala sila masyadong choice but to pay yun na mataas. Ano? Nakita mo na ba yung recording ng webinar? O nasa webinar ka, Nims?
Nasa webinar po.
Na webinar? So alam mo na. Na-compute na natin yung magkano.
Parang simula nung bumili po ako ng Christmas bundle, sinundan ko po lahat ng webinar. Honestly, kagabi po, parang hindi po yata dapat ako kasama doon.
Yung planning, nando ka ba kagabi sa planning?
Opo.
Okay lang yan.
Pero parang hindi ko alam yung mga pinagsasabi. Anyway.
Sinunod mo ba?
May natutunan naman ako.
First timer, ano ang advice? Natanong ni Aife. First timer, which bundle is the most preferred or the most advised? Bundle 1. Pag wala ka sa Maynila, bundle 1. Pag nasa Maynila ka, sumama ka kay NEMS sa bundle, ano ulit yung back to basics? Bundle 3?
Actually, downloadable lang po yung kinuha ko sa bundle 4.
Hindi, pero pwede naman kasing, pwede namang live kung nasa Manila ka. Of course, mas advantageous kung Manila-based ka, dun ka sa back to basics. Pag hindi naman, pwede ka naman kumuha ng downloadable din. Okay lang naman din. So bundle 1 and bundle na back to basics, kung ano man yung numero noon, ng bundle 3 ata, yun yung preferred for first timers, as in super first timer. Okay. Yung mga first timer na feeling niya wala kayong budget, bundle 6 yan. Bundle 6. No budget. Pero, okay. Mas maganda talaga yung bundle 1 deal. 4 na seminar yun. Pwede po bang makuha yung link ng webinar last week? Yung link ng webinar last week, nasa Christmas Bundles website. Tanong ni Rora, nasan yung link na Christmas, yung webinar last week. We usually put the webinar replays dyan. Dito kung saan yung latest na pinagagagawa namin. Ayun. So, thank you very much for the question. Salamat. Just to remind everyone, deadline is around a few days from now. Kailan ba ang deadline, Zach? Hindi ko matandaan. Kasi yung computer ko ay magpakita ng mga apps. February 2 po ang deadline. If you join this time, you will get a chance to win in the raffle. The biggest prize is an iPad Nano na fully loaded ng napakadaming materials, audio materials para tumaas pong inyong entrepreneurial and marketing mindset. Yun po yung laman ng grand prize na iPad Nano. Tapos, ang isa pang premyo is actually a choice. May keyboard, may 4 na libro, and there's also this thing na hindi natin lahat. Teka lang, nakalimutan ko ano yung price. Ano nga yung prices? There's a keyboard, there is a few books. There's the latest book ni Tim Ferriss. There's the Persuasion book ni Robert Cialdini, which is mentioned by Carl Dexter last time, one of his copywriting gurus. So the latest book. You have choices between an audiobook or a physical book delivered to your Philippine address. Yun yung mga raffle. But at the same time, we are actually in the process of printing the bonus books. And we're going to give you the ebook, but we're also going to give you the physical books to read. Ayan. Okay? So everybody wins. You have minimum books. You have minimum 1 book when you buy. Okay? And then the raffle will allow you to get the iPad Nano. It looks Salamat. Ingay po. So, cellphone yan, cellphone. Maingay po ang cellphone names. Ay,
Ay, sure, pwede pong i-mute niyo po ako. May tumatawag po kasing aso sa labas.
okay na. Sabi ni Irene, you really inspired me to become a virtual assistant. Sabi ni Leo Venio, I'm thankful that I joined this free webinar po. Thank you. Thank you also for being here. Sabi ni Ethel, your story reminded me of my childhood dream. Keep it up po. Very, very interesting. Yung bundle 6, ano daw ba yung bundle 6? Nag-misbehave yung ano ko eh. Dali I can't open anything. Yan, okay. So, magkano daw ba yung bundle 6? Dito na matandaan. I will look. Bundle 6 is called the Non-Techie Seminar. That's a seminar in Manila. So, it's, where is that? There's actually 2 seminars in Manila. That's Bundle 6. So, it's 682 for these 2 seminars, back to one day after the other. The Non-Techie Seminar, how to be a techie even if you're a non-techie. And then the Manila Virtual Career Seminar, it's now at 19,852. Pero that actually has a lot of bonuses with it. Okay? So let me just show you the inclusions para you understand that you're not just getting the seminar, you're actually getting a lot of bonuses also. Ayan. Okay? How to make mobile apps, protect your family from dangers of the internet. Those are 2 brand new webinars we're about to do. And the Filipino traits that help you succeed in virtual careers. Ayan. Maingay yung keyboard mo, Nems. Okay.
Sorry po.
Okay. You're also getting the recording of the Manila seminar. You understand? Sorry, hindi pala yung recording. That's the actual live event and the recording of the event mismo. Okay. Both valued at 14. So the total thing is 36,000 in this 682 yung value, yung cost niya. So it's at 65% off. That's bundle 6 for those asking. Ano ba to? This is the Non-Techie Seminar plus Manila Virtual Career Seminar. Let me see if there are any more questions before we say goodnight. Before we say goodnight, thank you so much everyone for joining. And at the same time, okay, sabi ni Zach, baka ang tinatanong ni Levenio, bundle 6. Hindi bundle 6, single 6. Yung single 6 is actually 1,564. That's the beginner. Kung beginner ka, tapos gusto mong makuha yan, plus libre ka na dun sa seminar sa October, is for only 1,564. You actually get into that seminar in October. That's the minimum you can pay for. So if you are awake right now, sinong awake ngayon? Let me give you a hint. For 1,000 pesos, you get the recording of a seminar, and then you get to attend a live seminar na 12 hours long sa October. Is it good deal ba o good deal? Ano tingin nyo? You get the 2013 seminar. At the same time, you are free to attend the October seminar na ang haba-haba. What do you think? Is that a good deal? Or is it a really good deal? Ano tingin nyo? Ang feeling ko, it's a really good deal. You really should, wake up and get it. Minimum yan, minimum. For 1,300 lang. Plus, you get your book. You get a book. You get a physical book. Yeah, you get a physical book. And what else do you get? You have a chance to win the iPad. Yun mo yun? For 1,300. Parang laro-laro na lang. Ano? Papadalan pa kita ng libro sa bahay niyo. May seminar ka na nga. May libro ka pa sa bahay niyo. Yeah? Plus, of course, the possibility of winning the raffle is awesome. Diba? So, single 6, everyone. If you haven't gotten any of the Christmas bundles, at least do yourself a favor. Go get single 6. Hindi bundle 6. Single 6 po. Diba? You get physical books pa. And we mean actual books that are new. Hindi Virtual Careers the book. An actual book. So, nobody has ever seen before. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for attending and joining. Thank you very much, Nims, for your inspiring story. One day,
po. Sana maintindihan niyo po.
may feast pa kayo dyan sa inyo? Sa
Ano po?
Zamboanga? Meron kayong feast ni Bo Sanchez? Sa-attend kayo dyan?
Malayo po ako sa city. Nasa liblib talaga akong lugar.
Dito talaga, no? Wala sa internet ka manood sa kirigma.tv.
Pinapanood ko po siya sa ANC.
Sa ANC, ayan, manood ka. Baka one day tawagin ka ni Bo para mag-share.
Ano po? Kakahiya. I'm afraid. Bakit kaya?
Okay lang yun. Parang ngayon, you're afraid. Pero tapos na. God bless. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you for
you.
inspiring everyone. Grabe ang storya mo. Pang TV. Okay. Salamat.
Salamat sa lahat.
Salamat. Grabe. Thank you. Everybody say final thank you to Nims. And do us a favor, ikwento niya sa friends niya.
You're
Ikwento
welcome.
iba. Di ba? God
Naku,
bless.
magulat ang mga classmates ko.
Oo. Kasi artista ka na.
Bigla akong
Bigla ka na
lumutaw.
extrovert.
Lumutaw. Kasi tahimik ako sa Facebook.
Sinabi ba nila? Sinabi mo, hindi ko na Facebook to eh, sayang. Yung next webinar natin sa Monday, i-Facebook ko. Facebook Live. So, pero hindi ko yun. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So much.
Welcome.
Okay, that's it, guys. I'll leave you guys to the capable hands of Zach if you have any questions. Pero kami, with the kids, higa na kami. God bless. Nims, higa na rin kayo. Salamat.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
And of course, everyone, you have 3 days to go before the Christmas bundles are over. Do yourself a favor. Help yourself to at least one. God bless.